Are you having problems that your Honor of Kings app is stuck on the loading screen and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So the first thing, actually exit the Honor of Kings app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So now on the settings app, just scroll down in here and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page. So on this page, just scroll down and click on storage right here. And then we're just going to simply wait for all of the apps in here to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds here. Now when it's done in here, as you can see, just scroll all the way up and click on the search bar up top. Now search for Honor of Kings here, as you can see, then click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, and then click on the Reinstall App button. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times, just so you know. Basically what will happen now is that you're forcing Honor of Kings app to completely update to its absolute latest version. So by doing this, you're going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one, basically. So do this, go back into your Honor of Kings app after you have done this, and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.